Hi, Jenny here, trying another flavor of Kit Kats today. I saw in my social media feed that there was a strawberry and dark chocolate Kit Kat. So I looked that up and found that it was another one of those exclusive flavors sold only at Walmart. So I made my trek up there and couldn't find it, had to ask the cashier, and it even took her a while after looking it up to look in a few aisles to see if she could find it, and she found one box. So I don't know if this was a Valentine flavor or if it's going to be around for a while, but they had a few left, so I got one to try. So, woo! It smells like strawberry. That kind of takes me back to when Stephanie and I did our Kit Kat tasting of all the different flavors. And I think that there was a raspberry one. There were a couple of them that the smell when you open the packaging, it was like, whoo, you could smell that. And so, oh, sure, now I just broke it apart. I forgot to show the camera first. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, here, I have two of them. I was just so distracted by the smell. Oh, alright. I broke it apart. That's what it looks like. It says Kit Kat on there. So you see the strawberry, you see the dark chocolate. Very red strawberry because it smells like strawberry. And the wafers. I thought it would have a stronger taste. Again, hint of artificial strawberry flavoring. And Kit Kat, chocolate and wafers. So, that's good. I would eat that. Not a whole lot of it, but that's very tasty. So, thumbs up. So if you like strawberry flavor and you want to try the Kit Kat, you see it in the store, go ahead and pick one up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.